Starting around 17 September 2023, Really Smooth Love Elixir basically is exchanging at $0.00258 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. SLP most certainly has a genuinely complete market cap of $64,664,915. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This in every way that really matters, makes kind of smooth love elixir, SLP, positioning at 315 in the digital money market, which basically is very critical. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the genuinely smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023. What will smooth love mixture for the most part be fundamentally worth in 2023, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is somewhat smooth love elixir in every way that really matters? Why is speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Which generally is genuinely critical. Will SLP cost basically outperform its record-breaking commonly high in an essentially significant manner? These sort of are our very smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP''S' future in every way that really matters, significant way. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the extremely smooth love elixir figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The SLP cost most certainly is supposed to really cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.002, the normal exceptionally least value worth of by and large smooth love elixir. Toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to be $0.002, which is very critical. Besides, SLP can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. SLP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of kind of smooth love mixture basically is determined to in every way that really matters, be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.00235 fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The in every practical sense, smooth love mixture value worth can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $0.002 with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars. Exhibiting that these certainly are our sort of smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. SLP value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023, sort of smooth love elixir for the most part is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.0062 in every practical sense, huge way. The SLP cost could arrive at in every way that really matters. Greatest cost of $0.002 with the in every practical sense, normal cost around $0.00362 or so they in a real sense thought. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for pretty smooth love elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002. So SLP generally has a complete market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, or so they in a real sense thought. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of genuinely smooth love elixir sort of is somewhat anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.00532, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.002 and a very least of $0.00362, which generally shows that SLP basically has a really all-out market cap of $64,664,915. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, which generally is very huge. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for especially smooth love elixir in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.0032 and $0.0052 in an unobtrusive manner, while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.002. So genuinely smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for sort of smooth love elixir in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0032 and $0.0052 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been truly diminished by 1.57% in its truly current worth in a sort of significant manner. Assuming we really look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap basically is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love mixture really is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, so will SLP cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, in spite of mainstream thinking? The SLP in every practical sense is down to nearly 5.41% in the absolute most recent 7 days, kind of additional appearance how this especially makes really smooth love elixir, SLP, exceptionally positioning at 315 in the digital money market in a truly significant manner. The coin especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for genuinely past couple of days. The coin could generally have serious areas of strength for of yet. We don't in a real sense imagine that it would a beneficial resource in for the most part present moment. Further appearance how starting around 17 September 2023, sort of smooth love mixture in every way that really matters, is exchanging at $0.00258 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP essentially diminished by 48.160%, killing an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $0.001 from its kind of current worth, in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a very decent certainly purchase and open door for pretty speedy speculation, or so they basically thought. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 47.33%, and the cost in every way that really matters, circled from a base sort of typical cost of $0.003 to fundamentally greatest pretty normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, exhibiting how SLP value gauge September 2023 with respect to September 2023. Certainly smooth love mixture explicitly is supposed to sort of arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.0062, or so they sort of thought. Smooth love elixir generally is somewhere near 24.79% with the in every practical sense greatest buy and large normal cost of the coin explicitly was around $0.002, and the truly least sort of typical cost of was around $0.0